The air bites, sharp and unforgiving, aching fingers tighten around icy rigging, towering glaciers groan, a symphony of ancient ice. This is the realm of polar exploration where nature reigns supreme. Sailing these frozen waters is a dance with danger. Winds howl like banshees, whipping up ferocious storms in an instant. Temperatures plummet, threatening to freeze the bravest heart. Yet amidst this stark beauty, life finds a way. Polar bears roam the ice floes, their white coats blending seamlessly with the snow. Seals bask in the sun, their dark eyes watchful. Whales breach the surface, their immense size a testament to nature's power. It is a world of stark contrasts, both beautiful and brutal, and those who dare to explore it are forever changed by its unforgiving embrace. The Arctic, a realm of perpetual ice and shifting light. Here, the sun dips below the horizon for months on end, shrouding the landscape in an ethereal twilight. The northern lights dance across the sky, a breathtaking spectacle of color and movement. Navigating these icy waters demands unwavering skill and resilience. Ice charts become a lifeline, guiding sailors through treacherous passages choked with ice. The threat of frostbite is ever present, a constant reminder of the fragility of human life. But the rewards are immeasurable. Encountering a pod of narwhals, their spiraled tusks glinting in the sun, is a truly magical experience. Witnessing the raw power of a polar bear hunting on the ice is a humbling reminder of nature's untamed spirit. The Arctic tests the limits of human endurance, but it also reveals the extraordinary beauty and resilience of life in its most extreme form. Antarctica, a continent of superlatives, the coldest, windiest, driest, and most remote place on Earth. Here, time seems to stand still, frozen in the vast expanse of ice and snow. Reaching the Antarctic Peninsula is a testament to human determination. Sailors must first conquer the infamous Drake Passage, a swirling vortex of wind and waves feared by even the most seasoned mariners. But the rewards are worth the risk. Giant icebergs, sculpted by wind and water, drift silently by, their icy blue depths hinting at an ancient power. Penguins waddle along the shore, their comical antics a source of endless amusement. The Antarctic is a place of profound silence, broken only by the sound of the wind and the crashing waves. It is a place where one can feel truly insignificant in the face of nature's grandeur. Section 4. Braving the unforgiving elements. Sailing the polar regions is not for the faint of heart. Meticulous preparation is essential for survival. Boats must be reinforced to withstand the crushing pressure of the ice. Survival suits are mandatory, a last line of defense against the frigid waters. Crews must be physically and mentally prepared for the challenges ahead. The ability to work as a team is paramount, for the polar regions are unforgiving of any weakness. Every decision, from navigating through ice to managing supplies, can mean the difference between life and death. The risks are real, and the dangers ever present. Sudden storms can whip up without warning, transforming calm seas into raging infernos. Icebergs, hidden beneath the surface, pose a constant threat to even the sturdiest vessels. Yet despite the risks, the allure of the poles remains. For some, it is the challenge, the ultimate test of human endurance. For others, it is the sheer beauty, the chance to witness nature in its rawest form. Section 5. The Call of the Poles. Why do adventurers risk everything to sail these unforgiving waters? The answer lies in the profound impact of experiencing such wild frontiers. The polar regions offer a rare glimpse into a world untouched by human hands. They remind us of our own insignificance in the face of nature's power and the importance of protecting these fragile ecosystems. To stand on the deck of a ship, surrounded by towering icebergs and the vast expanse of the polar sea, is to experience a sense of awe and wonder unlike anything else on Earth. It is a humbling experience, one that stays with you long after you have returned to civilization. The Call of the Poles is a siren song, beckoning adventurers to test their limits and explore the farthest reaches of our planet. It is a call that speaks to the human spirit of exploration, the desire to push beyond the known and discover the unknown.